This pie has a fraction of the pieces shaded. Shade the other pie by selecting the pieces to make an equivalent fraction, then press go.
First this one, then this one. Did I get it right?
That's it. This block has a fraction of the pieces shaded. Shade the other block by selecting the pieces to make an equivalent fraction, then press go.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This should be it.
Good. Make an equivalent fraction. Multiply the numerators across and the denominators across. Use the arrows to make the fraction and press go.
Aha! I just know this is it. Let's hope this is the right one.
Right on. Here are two fractions, 4/9 and 5/9. Which one is larger? To compare fractions with the same denominator, just compare the numerators. 4 is less than 5, so 4/9 is less than 5/9. Your turn now. Compare the numerators of these fractions and select the correct comparison sign.
Yeah, this looks right.
That's it. Compare these fractions.
This one looks promising.
Good. Select the correct sign.
I've got a good feeling it's this one.
Right on. Try this one.
This one looks promising.
Excellent.